The overall goal of this procedure is to determine an operational mode that reduces or even eliminates the recirculation of off-gas into the calciner in a calcium looping pilot plant.
This method can help answer key questions in the calcium looping field, such as how to decrease the energy needed in the calciner.
The main advantage of this operational mode is that it reduces the size of the calciner as well as the amount of fuel and oxygen used.
To begin this procedure, use a mechanical shaker to sieve approximately 50 kilograms of limestone to the desired particle size distribution. Place the sieved materials in pots next to the calciner for feeding during the procedure. Next, start a low flow of nitrogen gas in the carbonator, the calciner, and the loop seals in the rotometers. Turn on the carbonator transformers manually. Set the temperatures of all carbonator electrical preheaters to 600 degrees Celsius. Begin acquiring data for temperature, pressure, and gas composition in both reactors. Then turn on the calciner gas preheaters. Set the heater around the calciner to 600 degrees Celsius, measuring inside the bubbling fluidized bed via a thermocouple. Open the calciner's top valve. Add 3 liters of the sieved limestone into the downpipe and then close the top valve. After this, open the bottom valve so that the material flows into the reactor. Heat the material as outlined in the text protocol.